Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. More honors for Bolt, but this time it's for his film. The world's fastest man was recently honored by the National Academy of Television, Arts and Sciences for his role as executive producer on the animated film about his life titled The Boy Who Learned to Fly. Bolt took to Instagram to share the exciting news, where he posted the official letter announcing the honor, bearing the caption "Humbled, Thankful." The animation documenting Bolt's journey was released last year, July, and also nominated earlier this year in the category of Outstanding Special Class Animated Program at the Daytime Emmy Awards, marking the athlete's first film nomination. Still no sentencing. ZJ Wawa, after entering his guilty plea for telemarketing fraud 3 years ago in the Federal District Court in Bismarck, North Dakota, is yet to be sentenced. Investigations into the lottery scamming case continue, but Wawa will not be sentenced until all parties involved enter a guilty plea or have gone to trial. The Jamaican disc jockey is one of 26 persons named as part of a lottery scamming ring. He was stopped by Jamaican customs officials at the Sangsters International Airport in Montego Bay with $105,000 in his possession, the alleged proceeds of the scam. In May 2014, he was subsequently arrested by United States law enforcement officials in Florida. An education in business but a career in music. Tonight we speak with reggae artist Natisha Stream as she takes her place in the music industry.
Hi, I'm Natisha Stream, a lovers rock baby, lovers rock reggae artist. I've started out in the business doing background singing, but at this time I don't feel like I should be in the back anymore, knowing that I have a talent, I have a voice that the world, and a message as well, that the world needs to hear.
Reaching from backup and taking the lead. It's been over a month since the release of her latest single, Tonight I Give In, and the former backing vocalist is hard at work for her debut album.
Haven't decided on a name as yet because we're taking baby steps. It's in tadpole step stages right now. So right now we're just voicing up a couple of tracks. We have songs like My Angel, Come to Jamaica, you know, things that can motivate and elevate people's mind, you know, give them a sense of peace and direction, and just bring back the music to the standard where it was before.
Stream is the niece of legendary reggae artist Tyga and was once backup singer for artists such as Queen Ifrica, Cocoa Tea and Egyptian. On the international scene, Rihanna's humanitarian efforts continue. The Bajan pop star is teaming up with rapper Fat Joe, Nicki Minaj, and Jay-Z's Tidal to send cargo planes loaded with supplies to hurricane-ravaged Puerto Rico. Rihanna has reportedly donated a large sum of money to the cause and is encouraging fans on social media to donate whatever they can. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Thank you for watching.